so far. We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Mfowethu igama wena.
Mina igama uThapelo mina.
Yeah, uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, umdlalo wanamhlanje uvele wona bo-right. Kodwa mina ngibona ama Kings lapha ku-Pirates yabo. Kumele bawazame ukuwaqinisa ukuthi bawastrethene. Into engiyibonile yokucala i-striker uSebastian Ulekha i-creative player make izomsupply ngebhola. And the second i-Pirates bidlala e-home ground and which is bengekho dominance kakhulu ku-football. Okay, vele bona ukora bakorile 2 goals which is ngibanikeza ini i-credit lapho. But for me, according to Ibola, Sketched Online, the way they were distributing Ibola, abadlali ngendlela lengibazi ngayo, le hungry, yeah. So I think i-coach bengazama ukuthi iqinise imidlili, ikwazi ukudlala ngama-player ezokwazi ukuthi emidlilini azokwazi ucontributor more than ba-contribute namhlanje ama-passes, bakwazi ukuwa-distributor. You understand? Because imidlili yasekhukhuni bestrong udlula le Pirates, bestrong udlula le Pirates, bestrong kakhulu. Just that isekhukhune ibhayize ngalawo ngalembo le mistake le yakakhadoso le. Okay, le mistake le avele yona ibalimazile le. Then the first goal nalo lihle nalo. Okay, i-credit bawinile 3 points, 3 points. There's no silly excuse yokuthi uzothi ukuthi ubani bekayenzeni. Okay, Pirates winile 3 point ingakubo mara bona kumele bakwazi ukulungisa ama-mistakes wabo.
Ngiyakuzwa mara.
Plus nalento yaka-coach yokuthi hambisa ama-key player, kumele kube nama-experience player kade khona from the past 3 seasons.
Akuyuba Bukhoza ohambisa ama-player.
Because ucoach angathini phela thina ngapha enye into esibulalayo abo-coach abanama-decisions. Yabo abo-coach abanama-decisions okuhambisa lokufaka. Ama-decisions abanawo okay ukuthi babajimise baphinde na futhi bafaka amanye ama-player which is khona ama-player afakwa i-politics e-Pirates which is khona i-player compulsory kumele lidlale. You understand? Because of nale mali eholayo imenza ukuthi kumele adlale ngenkani. You understand? Nanoma kumele angadlali but kumele bakwazi ukufaka nalo mfana lo bambiza uMthomi. Positive. Ngiyabona i-potential yakhe le mfana lo. Unkhandile le mfana lo. Ngiyabona.
No point to say more.
Ngiyabonga.
Sure.